Welcome to our channel. That name is Guruji. We will discuss chapter number 14. That name is statistics, and in this chapter we will learn the three things: mean, median and mode. How to solve? First of all we will learn here is written statistics. That means you are talking about the data. That means if you collection the data, and then after you data you classification and make the table, that means tabulation. After making the tabulation you will analysis and explanation of the numerical data, so that is called the statistics. I think you can understand. The next thing, you can group data and ungroup data. The name is group data. That means arranging by the systematically, जो व्यवस्थित हैं पहले से, अनग्रुप जो अव्यवस्थित हैं. जैसे what is the meaning of the group data? Group data, that means I am talking here 10 to 20 and 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. Suppose if you have the frequency 11, here it is the 8 and this one is 12. Okay, so there are 10 to 20. How many persons here? 11. 20 to 30, here it is 8 and 30 to 40 is 12. So this one, this line is present here, the group data. Group data, that means the difference between the 10 here. Ungroup data, if you are sitting in the class and teacher organized one test, students obtain the marks in this test out of 10. Here it is suppose 7 and 3, 0, 9, 10, 2, 1. And this data you can say it is ungrouped data because this is not systematically. So this called is ungrouped data. I think you can understand. And the next topic here is class interval. What is the meaning of class interval? Class interval is depend on the lower limit and upper limit. Suppose here 10 to 20. I am talking about the 10 to 20. So 20, this one is upper limit, and this one is lower limit, right? So here it is written. What is the class interval? Upper limit minus lower limit. So you can write 20 minus 10. How much? 10. So this is class interval is 10. Next thing, class mark. Class mark, that means if you adding the lower limit plus upper limit and divided by 2, so you will get the class mark. Class mark denote by x. So how to get? Here it is 10 to 20. So lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 upon 2, how much? Here it is 15. So value of x here. So this one is class mark. Okay friends. Here next one, frequency. Frequency, that means number of times an observation occur in the given data. Frequency, that's 10 to 20. How many percent here? 11. 20 to 30, 8, and 30 to 40 is 12%. So this line is called the frequency. How many percent between 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40. So this is called the frequency. Here you can see 73091. Suppose one number you will take 3. So how many times 3? 2 times. So frequency of 3, 2. Okay. Here next, mean group data. तो ग्रुप डेटा, मीन ऑफ ग्रुप डेटा का मीन्स क्या? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? सो हमने फर्स्ट इन क्लास 7th 8th 9th और में क्या पढ़ा है कि मीन का फॉर्मूला क्या है? व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ मीन? मीन को किससे डिनोट करते हैं? एक्स बार से. सम ऑफ द ऑल ऑब्जर्वेशन अपॉन नंबर ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वेशन. Here how many students here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you add the all numbers and divided by 8, so you will get the mean, and this mean denoted by the ungrouped data. Okay, now we will talk about the mean of group data. There are two methods. First method is the direct method and second method is shortcut method. Our other name is assumed method. Okay, so first of all we will talk about the direct method. So what is the meaning in direct method? Direct method, you have the one table. That means you will get the group data. Suppose here it is 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. Here it is the frequency 5, 7 and 9. Okay, and by the help of this method, so formula, what is the formula? X bar equal to sigma fi into xi upon sigma or summation fi xi upon summation fi. Here this value is not fi, and you will find out the class mark. class mark, suppose 10 plus 20 is 30, it is 15, so this one is xi, and after multiplying you will get fi into xi, and after adding this one is sigma fi xi, so this one make it okay, and divide by sigma fi means summation fi means sum of the all numbers divided by this number. So you will get the mean by this direct method. I am talking about the shortcut method. Shortcut method formula is here, a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. What is the meaning of di? Di, that means deviation. Deviation xi minus a. This formula has xi minus a. A means assumed mean. How to understand? Look at this one. Here I am writing 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. Simple example, you will take it here 5, 7 and 9. There are 3 numbers, okay, and here it is, this one value is fi, okay, and you find out the xi. So this become 10 plus 20, 30, 30 half is 15, 20 plus 30 is half 25, and 30 plus 40, 70 half is 35, okay. Now assumed mean that you will take the center value, means mid value. There are number of observation 1 2 3, so mid value is 25. So assumed mean that's the let the this one is 25. This is called the assumed mean, okay. You will take, so assumed mean is here sigma di xi. So di, suppose d1, find, if you find out the d1, I means first value, second value and third value. Xi means here, xi means first value is 15 minus a means 25. After subtracting you will get 10, okay. I will explain in question, okay, and so we will solve the first question. Question number first is here. Now you can see, a survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. In this question we have number of houses, there are only 20 houses, and number of plants given in this table. Here number of plants 0 to 2 plants, number of house only 1 houses, and here it is 2 to 4, number of houses 2, 4 to 6 1, 6 to 8 5 houses, 8 to 10 6 houses, 10 to 12 2 houses, and 12 to 14 3 houses. So there are number of total houses here 20. So you can write 20 sigma fi, okay. Here, so here this one we have to find the mean, and we will apply the direct method. Why we use the direct method? Because here it is the simple calculation, and so you can apply the direct method. If you have the hard calculation, then you can apply the shortcut method, and we will discuss the next question, okay. Now in this question, and first of all we will apply, here it is direct method. How to solve? Look, there are 2 things are given, and we have to find the other 2 things, and because we have the formula sigma summation fi xi upon summation fi. Summation fi is also we have given, okay, and fi value also given, but xi value you have to find. Xi, that means midpoint. How to find midpoint? This formula, class mark equal to lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So lower limit of this one 0 and upper limit is 2. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 upon 2 is 1, okay, and 2 plus 4 6 divided by 2 3, and the next 4 plus 6 10, 10 half is 5, and 6 plus 8 14, 14 half is 7, and 8 plus 10 is 18, 18 half is 9, and 10 plus 12 is 22 is half 11, and 12 plus 14 is 26, and this is half 13, okay. So this value it represent xi, okay. We have this value represent fi, because this one is frequency, so fi. And in the next table, next thing, fi multiply by xi, so both number you have to multiply. So what will be the result? Here you can see 1 into 1 is equal to 1 and 2 into 3, how much here? 6, and 1 into 5, how much here? 5, and the next number 5 into 7 is 35, and 6 into 9, 6 into 9, it's 54, and 2 into 11, 22, and the last number 3 into 30, 3 into 13, how much? 39. After adding you will get 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 23, 23 plus 9, 32. 3 carry, 3 plus 3, 6, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 3. How much? 13 plus 3? 13 plus 16, 162. The summation fi xi is equal to 162. The another formula we have x bar. X bar, that means denoted by mean. How to find it? You can see here summation fi. How much here? It is 20. Okay, and summation fi xi. How much here? 162. And mean formula is here mean x bar equal to summation fi into xi upon summation fi. The value of fi xi is 162 upon 20 divided by 2, and this one 81. 81 upon 10. So here it is 10, decimal come after one digit. 8.1 plants. Okay, this one is your answer. Requirements completed here. Here it is returned. Find the mean number of plants per house. So per house 8.1 plants per houses. So this is your answer. Answer 8.1. I think you can understand, and so we will solve next question. Next question, the following table gives the literacy rate in percentage of 35 cities. Find the mean literacy rate. You have to find the mean literacy rate. In this question we have number of cities. There are only 35 cities here, and we have the some data here. Literacy rate 45 to 55%. 45 to 55%. Number of cities 3, 55 to 65% 10, 65 to 75 11, and 75 to 85 8, and 85 to 95 is 3, and the sum of this number it is given 35. So sigma fi is equal to 35. Any doubt here? And then you can find out the mid value. So what is the formula mid value here? Class mark lower limit plus upper limit upon 2. Here it is lower limit and upper limit. So 45 plus 55, how much? 100. 100 divided by 2, so that will be the 50. Okay, and similarly 55 plus 65. 55 plus 65, so how much? Here it is 120. So 120, that means 60. Okay, and 65 to 75. So what is the sum both one? Here it is 140. 140 half is 70, and 75 to 85, that will be the 160. 160 half is 80, and 85 to 90. 85 to 90. So what is the sum is 180. So that will be the 90. Okay, here it is 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90, the mid value here. Next value di, because we will apply which method? So you can write here by shortcut or assumed method. Okay friends, so here it is the shortcut and assumed method. Shortcut, that means why do we need the shortcut method? Because the calculation is very tough, hard. So how to solve? So we will apply the shortcut method. So in this method we have the one thing, di. D means deviation. Deviation formula is xi minus a. Xi is this one, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. And a, that means the, here it is written assumed mean. Assumed means suppose you have to let, आपको मानना है क्या हो सकता है assumed mean. Assumed mean always you will take the mid value. here it is the number of value 1 2 3 4 5. So the mid value here it is, you have to left the 2 value and this one left, so remaining value is 70. This one is mid value. So assumed mean equal to 70. So now you can write assumed mean A is equal to 70. Okay friends, and next step di equal to xi. I means first value, so here it is, the first value is 50, second I means x2 60, third value, fourth value and fifth value. Okay, so di, how to find? First one 50, a value is 70, a value is 70, so 50 minus 70, 50 minus 70, how much? Minus 20. And similarly 60 minus 70 minus 10, 70 minus 70 0, and 80 minus 70 10, and 90 minus 70 it's 20. Okay, this value is di, and after getting this value, so you have to multiply fi into di. Fi this value. Okay, so 3 into minus 20, 3 into minus 20, it is minus 60, and the next one 10, 10 into minus 10, how much? Minus 100, and next 11 into 0, so how much? 0, and 8 into 10, 8 into 10, how much here? It is 80, and 3 into 20, 3 into 20 is equal to 3 into 20 is equal to 60. Okay, in this table, and we have, there are two types of value, negative value and positive value. So what will we do? And negative value you have to add and positive value you have to add, and after you can subtract. Okay, so here it is 100 plus 60, so how much? Minus 160. Okay, and 80 plus 60, how much? 80 plus 60 is 140. Okay, one value is positive, one value is negative, so you can subtract 160 minus 140, how much? Here it is 20. Big value is negative, so you have to put the sign, negative sign, minus 20. Sigma fi di equal to minus 20. Okay, now you can write this one, summation fi equal to 35, and summation fi di is equal to how much? Minus 20. We know that the formula mean formula x bar is equal to a plus summation fi di upon summation fi. Put the value of a, how much value of a? Here it is the 70 plus fi di, the value is minus 20 upon fi value is 35. Okay friends, now 70 as it is, plus minus 20 upon 35, divide by 25 4 times, and this will 7 times, so remaining value is 70 minus 4 upon 7. After taking LCM, so LCM, how much LCM? It is 7. LCM is 7. Okay friends, and 7 multiplied by 7, 7 7 is 49 and 1 0, 490 minus 4. So after subtract 486 upon 7, divide by 7. So 7 6 is 42, 6 remainder 66, and 7 9 is 63. 63, that means 3 means 30. 37 4 is and 7 2 ja, and 7 2 ja, and 6 7 8 ja. So the near about this value is 69.4 to become 3. 8 you have to remove. So this one is percentage sign. 69.43%. So there are only 3 formula apply. First one is class mark, second one di equal to xi minus a, and third one is shortcut method formula. For shortcut formula method is here. You can see here x bar equal to a plus sigma fi di upon sigma fi. So this one very simple, I think you can understand, and if you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. And thank you very much for watching this video.